I'm going to do a little recycling here. I got this container, had some little cupcakes in it, and I thought this would be really great to start some seeds in. And I'd like to use these little toilet paper containers. First, I'm going to flatten them in half. Then I'm going to cut them in half this way. And fold them in half this way. Don't need that piece on there. Then I'm going to make a cut that's about halfway. On all 4 of the folds. Fold them in. And keep them in these little containers. And put one in each little spot. It'll stay down there once it's a little more wet. I'm going to do the rest of these and I'll be back. Okay, I've got all 12 of them all cut. Now, I'm going to put an A on one row because I'm going to be planting seeds that I got from Shine. So I'm using magic marker. Even though it gets wet, it's going to be in there. I'm putting B on another row, and on this last row, I'm going to put a C on each one. I'm going to plant some of the bok choy that I harvested this morning. I did get plenty of seeds out of it, but I didn't get any bok choy. Okay, I've got a container of water here. I've got about half a cup of water in there. And I still have some of these pellets that I'm going to be using. These are soil free, so I can still put them in hydroponics once they get started in here. Put one in there and let's watch it grow. Try and get it on its side there. Let's put a second one in there. See how many cups we can fill. And now let's fill our little cups. Well, it takes about maybe 2 tablespoons. It looks like we'll be able to fill 3 of them. You can use soil if you prefer, but since I will probably put these in hydroponics, I may not. And one of the good things about starting the seed in this, you don't have to disturb the plant when you move it. You can plant the whole toilet paper roll and all right into the soil. Let's fill it up with water and do the rest of these and I'll be back. Okay, I have them all filled with some coconut coir. And I have these seeds. We have A from Shine and B from Shine. And then this morning I harvested this bok choy. And I'm going to see if it grows.